This leather is tough to work with.
I think that one is ready.
Are you sure? He still looks a bit aggressive.
Yeah.
He's fine. Let's start moving him toward the gate. All right, guys, let's get this big guy out of the water.
Okay, careful. We're going to want to walk him up the ramp.
All right, let's get these guys to the cleaning station.
Sounds good. I've logged their vitals.
All right, let's get this guy cleaned up.
Careful, don't startle him.
The best quality skins are set aside for high-end products.
It looks like we're almost finished for today.
I think it just needs a few more minutes.
Cutting and sewing are the most important part of the process.
Craftsman, first, you have to really love it.
Hey, can you pass me that zipper?
Sure, here you go. How's it coming along?
Almost done with this sleeve. This leather is tough to work with.
We check every detail, from the stitching to the color, to ensure the highest quality.